cousin says he's going to eat a ghost chili, a ghost pepper, which is the hottest pepper in the world. You think you can do it? Think you can do it? Alright, this is what they look like. Sit down in this chair right here. And then we got some milk. And he's going to get a pepper. So, get the hottest looking one. I got, behold me, a ghost chili. You have to eat the whole thing. So you might as well just stick it in your mouth. The whole thing. Is it hot yet? Then why the fuck are you going for the milk? You don't go for the milk till it gets hot. Yeah, you gotta do it quick. Is it hot? Don't chug too much if it ain't that hot. You don't want to lose your milk. Mom, he's gonna need the other milk. Come on, help me get the milk. Don't breathe, it's gonna hurt when you breathe. You need a puke bucket? Oh shit! He's
Come here! Go outside!
You gotta drink it. You gotta drink it. You okay? Don't choke yourself. Don't take big breaths, because that's where it hurts at. Make sure you wash that shit down. Move out the way. So, how'd the ghost chili pepper feel?
Never eat that thing again. My stomach is hurting really badly right now. Look at the side of my freaking tongue.
And that is why you should, instead of doing those stupid ass challenges, why don't you try this? Order these babies. Got them for $9 for like 20 of them. Best thing ever to make people challenge on. I challenge you. Fuck! What? Fuck this thing. Okay.